welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back. Thank you guys so much for sticking around. I haven't sat down and filmed a video in literally maybe 3 months, so I'm really sorry about that. But we are back and I'm so excited. Hopefully it's going to be a little bit more consistent now. I'm sort of like back in the zone. I completely fell off the wagon for like so long. I've been so uninspired for like literally the last 6 months to do looks and to do like consistent content and stuff. But I really feel like I'm back and I'm like actually excited to be creative and like come up with really cool creative looks, because like I was looking at my Instagram and I was like, damn, my commitment to making like full-on looks was insane at one point, and I really want to be back there because that was like really fun, and I know a lot of you guys really enjoyed that. So I'm back, and today is going to be a full situational look, as you guys have probably already seen from the beginning of this video, but I'm really excited about it. So today's look is obviously very dark. It's very black, white, very like dark. I don't know, I'm feeling very dark and like sort of, I don't know. Anyway, that's the vibes. So I'm really excited to get into it. I'm gonna cover my brows off camera real quick and I'll be right back and we'll get started. I'll see you guys in 2 seconds. Bye. Okay, so eyebrows are all covered. Now let's get straight into it. So for the foundation, we're not doing a regular foundation color, we're going in and doing white, because I really want this to be like super dramatic. So I'm taking my white TV paint stick, my white Garland TV paint stick, and we're gonna go all over and then blend her out. So if you do use this paint stick, just keep in mind that the white really isn't the same consistency as like the normal foundation colors. It's kind of hard to work with, I'm not gonna lie. Ow! It just doesn't blend out as evenly and kind of as nicely as the regular colors, unfortunately, but it is doable if you're like wanting a look like this. But what we're gonna do now is I'm actually gonna take my Kat Von D concealer, Lock-It Concealer in Whiteout, and we're gonna use this to sort of try and, well, obviously use it as concealer, but also over the top to try and make this a little bit more even, because this product's a little bit easy to work with. So I'm just gonna take my Garland blending powder in white, and we're gonna use this to set it all. So I'm going straight over the brows first because they're the most delicate part. Alright, we're gonna focus mostly on like blush instead of contour. This is the Marc Jacobs Air Blush in Lines and Last Night. And so we're just gonna use this a bit. So we're sort of gonna use the blush in all like the regular contour places. So obviously along the cheeks. I'm gonna do a tiny bit around the hairline here. Most of this is gonna be covered because I am wearing a wig with a bang. I'm gonna take a bit of red on that same brush and really sort of like make this a little bit more. Alright, yeah. Alright, let's move on to some eyes. So I'm gonna take my powder again. I'm gonna just put this underneath for fallout because we're gonna do a lot of shadow at the minute. So I'm gonna take my Sugar Pill Pro Palette. I'm gonna take this black, and we're kind of not really messing around here at all. And we're gonna get straight in here. So we're gonna kind of cut a crease. I'm gonna bring bring this down into here a little bit so we can sort of start this entire situation. This is sort of like Miss Fame Eye 101. It's just gonna be like a big fat crease glam situation. Very, very pulled back. So I think I'm gonna use a bit of cardboard to sort of get this effect going a little bit more. Okay. Like the base of the eyes down. I'm going to take my black and my white and mix them together, sort of create like a more muted tone, like a more grey, and we're going to use this on the top to sort of really blend it out and make those edges quite nice. So this needs to be darker obviously, so I'm going to go in with the darkest black shadow I have. This is the NYX Primal color in Hot Black. And we're gonna really focus this on the outer corners here. And just try and get it a little bit darker because she's just not dark enough at all. Okay, that's better. Okay, so let's move on to a crease. So we have our crease there obviously, but I want to cut it out a little bit more. I'm going to take a little concealer brush and my white paint stick. And let's cut something here. I'm just going to cut the front bit. I'm not going to, and then like sort of just fade it out towards the end. Okay, so let's move into some liner. We're sort of just basically gonna just come, wow. Follow this line and kind of just do what we can do, figure out what we can do here. Okay, so we have this sort of crease situation going on, which I don't really know what's going on there, but we're gonna add some color. So I want to sort of do a pink and black. I want that to sort of be the vibes because we've got so much pink on the cheeks. So I'm going to, this is the Kat Von D Metal Crush highlighter palette. And it's got this like pink highlighter color here and it's so pretty. It's crazy. So I'm going to pack that onto my smudge brush and we're going to use this as a base for some little jewels and stuff. Okay. I don't even know if you guys can see that. Come closer. Can you see that? It's like kind of like a light pink. It's super pretty though. So I've got this like, they're like stars. Oh wait, no, that's not them. They're like stars and little love hearts, little pink ones. Here, you can't see it. But I'm gonna use some eyelash glue. Little brush here, it's like a little flat one. And instead of going all over, I'm just going to do like little dots and then place the jewels right on top of the dots. So I don't really know if you guys can see that very well, but we've got like a lot of the like love hearts and stars on our lids, which is super cute. So I think that's kind of like the top bit done. We're going to move down to the bottom. I'm going to get rid of all this powder that we had on. So we're gonna go straight in with our dark black again from our Sugar Pill palette, and virtually everything on here is gonna be black, and then we're gonna kind of do a bit of a inner corner situation. I'm gonna take my liner again, and we're gonna do a bit of inner corner situation. Okay, so for brows, we're gonna take our normal foundation color, and we're gonna do some huge, big brows, and then they're gonna come arching down really, really far. So again, just taking my little concealer brush we've been using. I'm gonna try and map out a shape here. Okay, so we have the shape down. Just need to go in real quick and fix them up. So I'm gonna go back in with my white. Same brush. Okay, I'm gonna take my fake Flush palette, and we're gonna take a bit of this dark brown, and I'm gonna mix that in with my foundation color to make it not so intense. We're just gonna go over the tail bits here just to darken them up. So I'm just gonna go over, use a tiny bit of my powder again. Mostly on the front bits here, because I kind of want them to blend a little bit better. Like blend together a little bit better. Gonna do a bit of mascara. Prep the lashes for some fake lashes. Woo, bitch. I'm gonna do some highlighter. I'm so excited about this. So I'm going to take, of course, again, what we've been using this entire time. And we're really going to kind of go hard on the highlighter. I kind of want it to make it look like I am like wet. You know the feeling? Okay, I think I'm going to do lashes first. Okay, so we have lashes on. Oh my god, how much better does that look? So I've got two huge pairs on the top. I've got to fix it up, and then I've just got a few little baby ones down the bottom. These ones down the bottom are Sugar Pill. They've got little like diamantes on the ends, which are really pretty, so I really like them. So we're gonna move on to lips real quick. We're gonna do some orange lips. I don't know why, I'm just feeling orange is where it's at. But I also want to mix in a tiny bit of pink, because we've obviously got pink on the cheeks. So I'm gonna take the Sugar Pill liquid lip color in Girl Crush, so it's the bright pink one. And I'm going to take this one, this is the Absolute New York lip paint in Real Orange. So I think these both dry down matte, so I'm going to start with the pink. Just kind of like a little bit. I'm going to wait for them to dry down, then I'm going to put a little bit of like bright lip gloss on. In the meantime, we are going to go over with a little bit more blush because now we've got bright pink lips and our blush is not enough. I'm going to go straight in with the red. Okay, so the lips are pretty much dry. I'm going to take a little bit of lip gloss. Okay, I think we're done, you guys. So this is the makeup. I really like it. I think it's good. Again, like I said at the beginning, that white paint stick is super, super, super temperamental and super hard to use. So I've kind of done the best that I can with it, but I think it's okay. Like I said, I'm gonna go put on my hair, my accessories and everything, and then we'll be done, and hopefully that'll kind of even it out and make it not so intense. So I'm gonna go do that. I'll be back in 2 seconds. I'll see you guys then. Bye. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. So don't even know what this is, don't even know what kind of look this is, but I am obsessed. I feel like it came out so, so gorgeous. I love like the full white face with all of like the black. You can't really see the wig, unfortunately. I will feature this wig in another video for sure, but this wig is from Annabelle Wigs on Instagram. I'll tag them down below. Go check them out. They were nice enough to send me a few wigs, so that was fun for a few fun looks. And yeah, and I made the little hat. This is just like a vintage blazer and a little bit of like a bow around the neck, which I love. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked that, please give it a like. It really, really helps me out. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. More fun looks coming, of course. And that is it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. And I'll see you guys next time with another whole look. I'm really excited to keep this momentum happening again and for us to continue on this journey together. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!